this is the farmhouse with swimming pool. In this part of the property, you will enjoy the amazing view of Mother Nature with your family and friends while drinking coffee or eating your meal. And now, let me show you the Google Earth footage for the lot size of this farmhouse. This property has a total lot size of 5 hectares. And please give a minute to see the whole drone footage of the farmhouse for sale. After this video, I will tell to you the location of this property.
I can see you got feelings you ain't showing. Make believe that you don't need your emotions. Slide on me, always living in the morning before I speak. What's love gotta do with? Baby, start outside. I'll always slide your way, and it's cold outside. Hiding my arms, ooh, it's dangerous outside. Come to my house, yeah, everything is alright. Ooh, that's alright. I can see you got feelings you ain't showing. Make believe.
This property is located in Iba, Zambales, and according to Google Map, the travel time from Subic to Iba, Zambales is 1 hour and 9 minutes. For those who are interested in this property, please leave a comment and we will reply to you the price and other details right away. Or you may call this number.
Can you see?
And lastly, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, click on the bell so you get notified whenever I release new property for sale videos.
That is mine.